Macros can seem intimidating for the uninitiated, but they do not have to be. Here is a primer on how to create your first macro with no coding involved. In drawings, I often have the need to break the alignment of ordinate dimensions in order to position them for better clarity. To do that, you will need to right-click on a dimension, go to Break Alignment, and left-click again. This can get tedious after a while, especially if you need to do this for many dimensions. So I have actually created a macro and mapped it onto the southeast stroke of my mouse gesture. With this, I can select the dimension, and with a quick swipe southeast, I can break the alignment. So let's run through how I created this macro. So first, let's right-click on the menu bar to bring up the macro toolbar. So once you hit the icon with the red dot to start recording, the program will record actions that you take automatically and compile them into a code in the background. So press Start to record, left-click to select the dimension, right-click, and select Break Alignment. Once that is done, click on the Stop button. At this point, you will be prompted to save the macro. Let's call this first macro. So let's do a test run on the newly created macro. Left-click on the new dimension and go to Run Macro. Open first macro. So now we can map this new macro onto our mouse gesture. So let's right-click on the menu bar and go to Customize. Select the Mouse Gestures tab. Under Category, go to Macros and create a new macro button. Go into Windows Explorer and pick on the new macro that we have created. And click OK. And you will see that a new row exists in the window. So from here, we can choose to map the mouse gesture. Let's select the southeast direction. Click OK to apply. So let's test out our new mouse gesture. Left-click on this new dimension and do a quick swipe southeast. And you can see that it breaks the alignment. This is just but a small taste of what you can do with macros. The sky is the limit, especially if you are willing to invest a bit of time into going into the actual coding. If that's not your thing, there are plenty of Solidworks users posting their macros on the Solidworks forums. That can be a great resource as well. Alright, that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one.